So besides double tonguing, we have another way of multiple tonguing, which is known as triple tonguing. And triple tonguing can be very challenging for most. But you know what? It's all good, because I believe that I have the tips that will help you grasp the concept of triple tonguing. What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly triple tongue. So let's get to it. So in my double tonguing video, I discussed the two syllables ta and ka. Well, with triple tonguing, we're going to add another ta in between the first ta and the ka. So the way that you triple tongue will be like this. Ta ta ka 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 ta ta ka. Majority of the time, trumpet players that triple tongue are triple tonguing eighth note triplets in music that's very fast. And the definition of a triplet is 3 evenly spaced notes within the beat in the measure. So that should let us know right there that when we triple tongue, the notes should be evenly spaced. One mistake that I hear trumpet players make when triple tonguing is that when they do triple tongue, the notes are evenly spaced and they sound like this. So what I played there was an eighth note followed by 2 16th notes. And hopefully you can hear that those notes were not evenly spaced when I was trying to triple tongue that. In fact, I wasn't even triple tonguing. I single tongued the first note and double tongued the next 2 16th notes. Therefore, that is not triple tonguing. So here's an exercise that I like to do to help me grasp the concept of proper triple tonguing. 1, 2, ready? So this exercise consists of quarter note triplets. And the reason why I like to use quarter note triplets is because the spacing of each note is longer than what it would be in an eighth note triplet. So you really get to take your time to grasp the concept of proper triple tonguing. Ta ta ka ta ta ka, triplet, ta ta ka ta ta ka. And if you noticed in my playing, I made sure that the notes were evenly spaced as I was trying to grasp the concept of proper triple tonguing. Now I'm going to change it up and add eighth note triplets into it. And this is what real triple tonguing sounds like. So here we go. 1, 2, ready? So if you're unfamiliar with how to count an eighth note triplet, know that an eighth note triplet occurs in one beat. So you count them like this. Triplet, 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 triplet. And when you get ready to triple tongue, it should sound like this. Ta ta ka 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 ta ta ka. So there you have it. That's how you triple tongue on the trumpet. And again, make sure that when you do triple tongue, that the notes are evenly spaced throughout the entire exercise. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'm out. See you in the next video.